Have you ever gone to a supermarket and struggled to find the right words in English?
Maybe you wanted to ask where a product was, compare prices, or talk to the cashier at checkout.
Today, you'll learn real English through real supermarket conversations. Welcome to LingTalk. Let's begin.
Part 1.
Looking for products.
Excuse me, could you help me find a few things?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find pasta, tomato sauce, and olive oil. I'm planning to make dinner tonight, but this supermarket is much bigger than the one near my apartment.
No problem. The pasta is in aisle 5. The sauces are right across from it, and the olive oil is at the end of the same aisle.
Perfect. That makes things easier.
Are you looking for a specific brand?
Not really. I usually buy whatever has good reviews or a reasonable price.
Then you might want to check our store brand. It's usually cheaper than the name brands, and a lot of customers like it.
That's good to know. I've been trying to save money lately without sacrificing quality.
I completely understand. Grocery prices have gone up quite a bit recently.
Tell me about it. Every time I shop, it feels like everything costs more.
You're definitely not the only person saying that.
One mere question. Where can I find fresh vegetables?
The produce section is near the front entrance. You'll find fruits and vegetables there.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Part 2.
Comparing prices.
Hi again. I found 2 different brands of coffee, but I'm not sure which one is the better deal. Let me take a look. This one costs $12, and this one costs $15.
At first glance, the $12 option looks cheaper. But let's check the size.
Good idea.
The $12 bag contains 10 ounces, while the $15 bag contains 16 ounces.
So the larger one might actually be a better value?
Exactly. Sometimes the cheaper product isn't the better deal.
I never pay attention to that.
Many shoppers compare the unit price instead of the total price.
What's the unit price?
It's the cost per ounce, pound, or kilogram. Most supermarkets display it on the shelf label.
I see it now. That makes comparing products much easier.
It definitely does.
Are there any sales on coffee today?
Actually, if you buy 2 bags of the larger one, you'll get a discount.
That's tempting, but I don't drink that much coffee.
Fair enough.
I'll just take 1 bag for now.
Sounds good.
Part 3. Asking about discounts and rewards. I noticed some customers scanning a card before paying. What's that for?
That's our rewards program.
How does it work?
Members earn points on purchases and receive special discounts.
Is it free to join?
Yes, completely free.
That sounds worthwhile.
It usually is, especially if you shop here regularly.
How do I sign up?
You can do it online or at customer service.
Do the points expire?
Not if your account remains active.
Nice. I should probably sign up then.
I'd recommend it.
Can rewards points be used for groceries?
Yes, you can redeem them for discounts on future purchases.
That's a great benefit. A lot of customers save quite a bit over the course of a year. Every little bit helps these days.
That's true.
Part 4.
Checking out.
Hi, I'm ready to check out.
Great. Did you find everything you needed today?
I did, thanks.
Wonderful. Do you have a rewards card?
Not yet.
No problem. Your total comes to $87.50.
That's a little more than I expected.
Groceries can add up quickly.
Apparently.
Would you like paper bags or reusable bags?
Reusable bags, please.
Good choice.
Can I pay by card?
Absolutely.
Is contactless payment okay?
Yes, just tap your card when you're ready.
There we go.
Approved?
That was quick.
Technology makes everything faster these days.
It certainly does.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Part 5.
Returning an item.
Hi. I bought this yogurt yesterday, but I noticed it expired last week.
I'm sorry about that. Let me take a look.
I didn't realize it until I got home.
I understand. Sometimes these things happen.
Can I exchange it?
Absolutely. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, right here.
Perfect. We can either replace the item or issue a refund.
I'd like a replacement, please.
No problem at all.
Thanks. I wasn't sure what the store policy was.
As long as you have the receipt and the product is eligible, we're happy to help.
That's good customer service.
We do our best.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Aisle. A passage between shelves in a supermarket.
Store brand. Products sold under the supermarket's own brand.
Produce section. Area for fruits and vegetables.
Unit price. Price per ounce, pound, or kilogram.
Rewards program. Loyalty program that offers points and discounts.
Check out. Pay for items before leaving the store.
Receipt. Proof of purchase.
Refund. Money returned after a purchase.
Exchange. Replace one item with another.
Did you find everything you needed? Common cashier question.
I'd like a replacement. Useful phrase. when returning an item.
Thanks for watching LingTalk. Learn English naturally. One real conversation at a time.
Don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing English every day.